Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F818A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. They are wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row seating here, the seats are heated seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors in the camera. Spray-in bed liner is going to keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.